Hi everyone, it's Grace here. Today I'll guide you through setting up your hammock to have proper low hammock height. There are 3 methods to measure proper low hammock height. It's important to know what the hip crease is. Find your balance. Lift 1 foot up. With that same side hand, find the crease between your leg and your torso. Draw a line across your body that's parallel to the ground, and that is the hip crease, the bottom of your hips, opposed to the top of the hips. So, in a kneeling position, holding the fabric not too wide, not too close, but hip-width apart with the thumbs just outside your body. Putting the fabric against your body, elbows are bent, and the fabric line is at the hip crease. Another way to measure proper low hammock height is to be in a standing position with the fabric right in front of you, and you'll notice that the bottom of the loop is underneath the knee height, or if you make a line with the fabric, it is directly at your knee height. A third way to measure it is, in a rough estimate, find one edge, grab 5-6 times in an open fabric, place your foot in the middle, hold on to each post, lift up the free leg, and you should still be in a floating position. If the fabric is too low, then that makes the whole flight super uncomfortable. With the fabric too low, you'll be standing on the ground. So you won't have any support from the fabric. And you'll notice here, when I hold the fabric against my body, it is underneath my hip crease. And you want to look out for it being too high, because that will also make it less comfortable, unless you're an experienced aerialist with a great amount of strength and flexibility. And you'll notice here the fabric is at the top of my hips, so just a little bit too high. When you do back butt monkey pose, you'll notice that it just feels not as comfortable with that one extra loop higher. So hopefully you always find your proper low hammock height. Hope this helps you to set up your fabric at a proper low hammock height to ensure graceful flights. Thanks for watching. Namaste. See you at the next flight.